Wheel of Webinar. A comprehensive tool for your webinar. Now, let's get started on how to use the Wheel of Webinar. Log in the application using the login credentials or register in as a new user. Then update your profile to create a webinar and access the macro wheel. Once the webinar is created, you can access the macro wheel. The Wheel of Webinar contains one macro wheel. Each spoke in the macro wheel represents an important step in the webinar. There are 16 micro wheels, and each micro wheel explains in detail about the substeps in creating a webinar. Once all the glow buttons in all the micro wheel is highlighted, the Wheel of Webinar is completed. The insight of the webinar can be downloaded by completing the feedback form. Finally, now you can share your webinar insight externally with your team. What you waiting for? Explore your Wheel of Webinar now.